Welcome back, folks. We got a 2011 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab with an SL package on it, and she's loaded up. Look at its truck, folks. Came right out of a Nissan store. That's where we picked it up. Factory sunroof, heated leather, Rockford Fosgate sounds. It's got the big old rack on top, sunroof, big alloys, trailer tow pack, 4.0 liter. This truck runs and drives like a brand new truck, folks. It's ready to go. Guaranteed credit approval is in full effect on this truck. And she's a nice one. We're talking $995 starting down payment here, folks. Come on down, DasCleveland.com. Bring along 2 paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, and I need 1 hour of your time. And this is the prize. Google us up, check out our reviews. DasCleveland.com.